Hi and welcome back to another football show review. Today we are going back to the roots and we are looking at a DHGate shirt. And this is of the Real Madrid from the 23-24 season. That's a home shirt. I can't actually remember the seller's name off the top of my head, but I will have another look and I'll confirm in the video. But in the description, I will put a link to the seller so that you can go forward, and if you're interested in the shirt, you'll be able to find it direct. In regards to timescales for delivery, it's about 15 days actually, which for a DHGate shirt is really impressive actually. Haven't done many DHGates in a while, so that's why I thought it was worth me going back out there, venturing back out there and buying one and having a look at what the quality is like. So the shirt comes in a standard Adidas bag. On the flip side, it's just got the usual health warnings. So yeah, what we'll do then is we'll get this bag opened and we'll have a look at what the shirt's like. I personally, I do think that a lot of the DHGate shirts are from the same place that the sites like KitGG, ZV Best, where they get their shirts from. But we'll have a look and see if the quality is as good. But like I said, I personally think that a lot of them do use the same factories. Don't get me wrong, there are some dodgy ones out there on DHGate where you don't get like the manufacturer or the sponsor or something. But yeah, this one so far from the bag looks good. So what we'll do is we'll get the shirt out of the bag and we'll have a look at the Real Madrid home shirt for the 23-24 season that we got from DHGate. Okay, we start with the front of the shirt. And it's just got the standard collar line around it. Adidas stripes. Have a look. I think they've been embroidered on individually. Although it is on a patch, as you can see, they have been embroidered on individually. Nice looking sleeve. Joint actually looks pretty good on this. A little bit of excess cotton in there, which we'll look at in a bit. But all in all, that looks okay. Adidas, bit embroidered in. I think that's just, yeah, it's just some cotton there, which will be moved. Real Madrid crest has been embroidered on. And the sponsor, Emirates Fly Better, is heat pressed on. And that feels lovely. That is absolutely amazing, actually. Probably one of the best sponsors that I've felt for a while on a shirt. Air ready, again heat pressed on. No concerns there at all. Got the black band that goes at the side, under to the sleeve. Likewise, on this side as well. Actually, it's got some air holes there, which is obviously for the air ready. But looking nice and tidy. Actually, if I just, you can see where the tag is so that you can see the material is quite see-through. Okay, we're onto the back, and straight away actually there you can see just how see-through the material is by that, and also size information there. It's been heat pressed on. All looking good. We do have the standard Adidas flap at the back, but the back is a little bit lower than the front. I always worry with white shirts about keeping them clean, because when you buy them, they're brand new, they do look absolutely amazing. But that one slight bit of dirt on it, and yeah, you feel like you're ruining the shirt. I just realised it's the Adidas, it's got the Adidas pocket there as well, which I can feel, which we'll have a look at in a minute too. Okay, we've now moved to the inside of the shirt. And this is what I was saying about the Adidas stripes being on a patch, although they've been embroidered on individually. A lot of excess cotton there, but scissors will soon sort that out. Collar line looks fine. Again, excess cotton a bit around there. And that's, do you know what, that's probably one of the better Adidas's I've seen, although the Real Madrid badge is full of excess cotton. That is not bad at all. We'll say that, yeah, look at it, it's all over the place. That would really rub if you're wearing that. So you'd have to wear some form of undergarment No creases at all on the sponsor. There's your aero ready patch. And we have our washing instructions here. Recommendation: when you're washing these, hand wash setting, flip it inside out, and when you dry it, just let it hang dry. Do not put it in tumble dry or anything. Yeah, to be fair, apart from all the excess cut on there, scissors will soon sort that out. The rest of it looks pretty good actually. Okay, we've got the final part of the inside of the shirt. And there's our Adidas pocket. Size is XL, so slim fit Adidas, and you just got the standard tags that you get on these solid shirts. Get a bit more cotton around there. And to be fair, I think if someone was to say to me, what's the difference between like the DHGate shirts and the shirts that we see from KitGG's, AV Best and all that sort of stuff, it's the final workmanship. The DHGate ones, you do get a lot of this cotton. And a bit more around there, but you can just chop it off. I think that's the biggest difference for me. And that does show how see-through the material is when you're pushing on the white. But yeah, apart from, say, the excess cotton, it's a really nice shirt. I do sometimes miss DHGate shirts, so I'm glad I got this one. And there we have it. There's our Real Madrid home shirt for the 23-24 season from DHGate. A really nice shirt actually, and I think I said it in the last little clip actually, I haven't missed buying shirts off DHGate because they can be hit and miss, but this one is really impressive actually, really impressive. I will leave in the description area a link to the seller, so that if you're after this shirt, you can find who it is. Yeah, really impressed actually. Like I said, the sponsor's probably one of the best sponsors that I've felt on these shirts. The only downside is obviously that, which on, well, I say it's the downside, it's not, because on this side it looks absolutely perfect. On the inside there's a lot of excess cotton, but I do think that's what you pay for when you buy a DHGate shirt. You know there's going to have to be some chopping around. But apart from that, I am really happy with this one. So I hope you've enjoyed watching it. If you have, hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.